Hi, this is Kathy Shantler with Ryan College, and today I am going to take you through how to upload a quiz for theory students. When you log on to the Real-Time Coach website and you are at the welcome screen, scroll down to My Activities, and you are going to look for the folder that says Theory Test. When you expand this folder, you'll see that there is a folder for each of the 4 theories. Choose the theory that you are currently enrolled in, and it will bring up a screen with all of the available quizzes. Now, if you are a repeat student, you may see a date for when you last took the quiz. You need to be sure to let your current instructor know that that quiz has already been activated and they need to go through the steps to have that reset for you. For anyone that does not show a date off to the side, the quiz should be available for you. First, you are going to go through and take the quiz. Be sure that you have your machine, your steno machine turned on, paper in your machine. You wrote a few strokes on your machine to make sure that it's inked properly and that the machine is writing. You have your machine connected to your computer via the proper USB cable. That you have your case catalyst installed and up and running, and that you have wrote a few strokes on your machine to make sure that the case catalyst is recognizing your machine. Everything is working correctly. Once you make sure that everything is working correctly and you're ready to go, then you will choose the appropriate quiz that you've been instructed to take, and you will click on the link for that quiz. Right now we'll do Quiz 1 for Theory 1. A pop-up window will come up, and now you have a play button. It warns you that you only get to click this play button when everything is set up and you are completely ready to go in every possible way. There are no resets when you currently are taking these quizzes. So if some technological glitch happens or your machine falls over, the case cat wasn't recognizing, you need to be sure to take care of all of that prior to clicking on the play button. Be sure the kids are away, be sure the dogs are away, close the door, tell everybody leave me alone for the next half hour while I get my quiz done and uploaded. After you are finished with your quiz, immediately when you're done with your quiz, you are going to close your case catalyst file that you are writing your quiz in. You do not need to close the entire program, just save and close your case catalyst file. Once you have done that, then you will come back to the main screen, and directly under the quiz that you just took, you will see that each one has its own upload link. You go to the upload link for the quiz that you took, only the one that you took, and click on upload. Now you will have a file that looks very similar to how we upload our homework. You will see Theory 1, Quiz 1, Lesson 2 through 4, so you know you're in the right Dropbox. Again, upload a file, you see the browse. We're going to go through the same steps that we went through to find our homework. Be sure you're looking in your local disk C, Cat 4, double click, USR, double click, and then click on your name. For this tutorial, I'll click on Instructor. I double click on that, and it will bring up all of your files that you have. Now you should have named this file with your first initial, last name, and then Theory 1, Quiz 1. Okay, each quiz that you take should have first initial, last name, I'll do down here as an example, K. Shantler, first initial, last name, Theory 1, Quiz 1. Okay, if it's Theory 3, Quiz 1. Whatever theory you are in and whatever quiz number you're in, that's how you want to name your files when you save them. So you would be looking for the appropriate file, and remember, you're always going to be looking for the notes file, and it's the one that has this icon that looks like a pad of steno paper with one fold up. Okay, I'll choose one of these, and I'll tell it open. Now again, you can verify that at the very end of this string that you just uploaded, it says SGSTN. If it says anything other than that, delete that out of here. Just go through, highlight it, hit delete, and you can choose the correct file. Do not upload anything other than SGSTN. Once you have verified that's the correct file to upload, click Upload this file. And it will tell me, File uploaded. And now you're back at the screen. So you want to be sure it's up there just for a few seconds. File uploaded. Now you can always come back to this upload link, and now you'll see what files are in there. If it is not the correct file, then click on delete, tell it yes, and then that way you know that it's been taken out. You can always come back and click this upload link. It's gone, the one that I had just put. So click Browse and go back through and follow the steps again to make sure that you uploaded the correct file. And that is how you upload a quiz on the Real-Time Coach site.